Hi, I'm Amogh. I'm currently pursuing my master's in computer science from Arizona State University. And apart from the routine academics, I also work as a research assistant in one of the labs. And as a hobby, I like sketching and I also play cricket. So I got to work on deep neural network watermarking, which happens to be a subfield of intellectual property ownership verification. And I had never worked on this before. So it was interesting to see how deep learning as a field also has tremendous practical value. So I had great fun working on this topic. One of the key takeaways for me during this internship was to think about the product lifecycle of even a machine learning model. Before coming here, for me, machine learning was all about training models and deploying them. But working at a startup, I got to understand that we have to also think about the life cycle of any product, and that may be even a machine learning model. In this internship, I was working on developing a fully working prototype for deep neural network watermarking, and the next phase of the internship was to integrate it with our existing platforms. And that was a huge learning curve for me because I had never done something similar. So it was a different experience altogether, I must say. Some of the major highlights of my internship were I got to meet General Jack Shanahan, who is a retired lieutenant, and he served in the artificial intelligence subdivision. So it was really interesting to see his take on artificial intelligence and its potentials and limitations, of course. Apart from that, our CTO, Dr. Sekchai, was kind enough to have Ask Me Anything, that is AMA session, just with the interns, where I got to know things about what startup is, like how startups operate and how does the seed funding happens, and a lot of other questions. And apart from that, as a team, we bonded really well. We had game nights, we went to play badminton, we went to the movies. So I had a really fun summer, I must say.